Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to your booking account in the booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu where we can look for accommodations. From here we have to tap on the profile menu, and then on manage your account, then on payment details, and here at the bottom we find add card option, and here we have a few spots that we have to fill in, and we just complete these, then tap on save card, and our card is going to be added to our account. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.